What is up everybody, welcome to GysticTutorials. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to add video and audio files to your PowerPoint presentation. Let's get into it. Okay, so once you've got your PowerPoint all loaded and everything, what you want to do is go Insert and then go over to the right here in the Media tab and choose either a video or audio file, whichever you are inserting. I'm going to show you both, but first I'll just do some audio. You can either upload MP3 or WAV files, or you can record your own audio. So if you decide to record your own audio, you will need to just press the record button. Blip blop, blip blop, blip blop. Okay, that's the recording. Okay, so and then once done with your recording, you can name it and press OK. So then it will add this little audio icon into your PowerPoint. You can choose how large you want it and place it wherever you like on the PowerPoint. You can also choose the like the brightness of the audio icon and the color. So when clicking on audio on my PC, you want to locate the audio file. I'm just going to go into music. Find the song that you want and just click on it and then press Insert. You'll get an audio icon just like the one you recorded in PowerPoint. So if you go to playback up here instead of audio format, because audio format's where you change the colors and stuff, if I didn't say that. So if you go to playback, you can either choose for it to play in the background of this slide, which I'm going to do. And up here you can either choose it to start automatically in click sequence or when it's clicked on. I'm just going to choose when clicked on. You can trim the audio if you like. So let's just get a section of it and trim it. And there we go. As you can see, it is working. So when someone clicks on the icon, it will then start playing. So if you want it to be if you want someone to click anywhere on the slide and for the audio to play, you want to choose in click sequence. Or if you want it to start when the slide first is loaded, click automatically. Okay, so that is how you add audio files. So if you want to add a video file, you want to go Insert again, and then you want to go over to the right where it says video, and then go either to an online video of your choice or a video that is already on your PC. I'm going to go pick an online video, and here it's going to ask for the URL. So I'm just going to link one of my other videos. So just paste the URL in and then press Insert, and then it's just going to take a while to download and open. And as you can see, that's one of my thumbnails for my other videos. You can resize it and put it wherever you like. I'm just going to plop it there. And then if you press play on the video, I copied this from YouTube, so it will just play it from YouTube, I believe. So as you can see, the video is playing. So I'm just going to pause that real quick. You can, in the video format, which is the tab you'll get taken to once you paste the video, you can change the contrast of the video, so video format, or you can also change the color of the video. But we're not going to do any of that at the moment. What we are going to do is go to playback, and here you can choose whether it is played automatically, the same as audio, when clicked on, or in click sequence. So we're going to choose automatically. That is how you add audio files and video files to your PowerPoint presentation. So that'll be it for this video. If this did help you, please hit that like button. And if you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button as well. If you have any problems with this video, please leave a comment down below and I'll be glad to help out. That is it from me, everybody. Have a wonderful day and peace out.